Hello friends, Reserve Bank of India has slapped a penalty of rupees 10 crore on HDFC Bank a couple of days back. It's a huge penalty and is one of the largest penalties imposed on a bank in recent times. Let's see what exactly led to the bank being penalized with such a very high monetary penalty. As per RBI press release, this penalty has been levied on the bank due to irregularities found out in its auto loan portfolio. RBI had earlier conducted an investigation in the bank after a whistleblower complaint alleged huge misdeeds in the bank's auto loan portfolio. RBI says the examination of documents related to the auto loan portfolio had revealed, inter alia, contravention of Banking Regulation Act and regulatory directions. Show cause notice was issued to the bank, and after considering the bank's reply, oral submissions and further clarifications and documents, RBI concluded that the charges of violation of Banking Regulation Act was substantiated and warranted imposition of monetary penalty. It is understood that the whistleblower had alleged that the HDFC Bank's car loan customers were given GPS devices bundled as part of the vehicle without their knowledge. The executives involved in these dealings sold the devices to achieve their sales targets from the year 2015 to 2019. It was also alleged that the bank used the GPS devices illegally to track its customers in case of loan defaults. So, the complaint against the bank was that it was selling third-party non-financial products to its auto loan customers. The bank was actually accused of forcing borrowers to purchase a GPS device from a specified provider. Section 8 of the Banking Regulation Act says that a bank cannot directly or indirectly deal with buying, selling or bartering of goods. But HDFC Bank was found to have violated the above provisions in the inquiry conducted by RBI based on the whistleblower complaint. RBI has made it clear that the imposition of penalty is based on deficiencies in regulatory compliance and is not intended to pronounce upon the validity of any transaction or agreement entered into by HDFC Bank with its customers. There are reports that following the whistleblower complaints, last year HDFC Bank had fired its 5 regional managers and 2 central officials after an internal inquiry conducted by the bank found evidence of impropriety and links with the vendor of the GPS devices. Ashok Khanna, former Group Head of Vehicle Loans in the bank, who is an HDFC veteran, and a close aide of his long-time Managing Director Aditya Puri, had also exited the bank in March 2020. There was rumor at that time that the exit was linked to the auto loan GPS controversy, but the bank had denied any such linkage then. But the large penalty now imposed by RBI on the bank is an indication that RBI had found irregularities of serious dimensions in the auto loan portfolio of the bank as alleged in the whistleblower complaint. Thank you.